Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Could this be it? Could the long-awaited successor to this, the DJI Mini 2, finally be here? Let's discuss it in a little bit more detail. So once again, Jasper Ellens from 27 Leaks has posted this on his Twitter. This is a supposed video showing the DJI Mini 3 Pro. So let's take a bit of a closer look. So Jasper is saying that we are going to have a bigger 2453 mAh battery, an improved 3-axis gimbal, and an f1.7 camera, basically meaning it's going to be so much better than the DJI Mini 2, of course, and obviously slightly better than what the Auto Evo Nano with their f1.9 is basically. You can see that we've got new, well, it does really crazy design features. We have got some obstacle avoidance sensors for the front and downward, which are absolutely huge. And if this is what we are going to get, and this is the DJI Mini 3, that raises I don't know how I feel about it, guys. I just don't really understand why the sensors need to be that big, and there must be a reason behind it. If this video and these photos are legitimate, there must be a reason, but I cannot see why these sensors need to be that big, personally. And one other little design feature I think or worry about as well, not worry, but just my personal thoughts, is the fact that that camera is so big and that gap is so open. You know, if you are flying into a headwind, could that possibly, affect the gimbal, maybe causing more gimbal tilt than we used to get on the DJI Mini 2, when maybe it can't keep up? I see the side bits would potentially solve it from a side wind point of view, but what about a headwind? But ultimately, this is a very short and sharp video. I just wanted to bring you these courtesy of Jasper Ellens and of course Deals Drones as well. So I will leave links to both their Twitter channels down in the video description, but please do let me know what your thoughts are. Sorry this isn't my usual studio and it may be echoey. I'm not prepared for this video at all. I'm actually on my way, or will be on my way, to basically a famous racetrack in the UK, and I'm doing a Formula single-seater experience, and Jasper obviously just dropped these, and I'm a little bit behind and caught off guard, but yeah, please excuse that. But ultimately, guys, please let me know what you think in the comment section below. Are these real? Is Jasper right? Are Deals Drones right? What do you think about the supposed specifications? Obviously, we're going to be within that 249 gram limit, of course. We'd need to be for drone regulations worldwide. But yeah, better battery life would be absolutely fantastic. I don't think anybody would be complaining at that. But please do let me know what you think about all the design features in the comment section below. Until next time, thank you very much for watching, and see you again soon.